Y'all, so I am back, baby! I told you I'd be back. So this is the Modernist pantry kit I purchased. I don't know if it says what it is, but it does. It is very nicely branded. It tells you where to buy it. Oh, I bought the premium kit. They do have one that is a step up from this, I believe. This was under $100. Man, that oil just leaked everywhere. I have to open this, so... So it looks like this. It's got a beautiful gold seal, a very nice branding. I don't know why I'm talking about this like I'm trying to sell it to you, because I paid good money for it. Like, so if I don't like it, you're going to know that, because I paid good money for this. Okay. Wow, that's really nice. Look at that. That is some good branding, you guys. Whoever designed this box did a good job. No, I know what this is. This is a caviar maker. So that is one thing I would like to do a video on, because I made... caviar before, but it was a long time ago at this point. So did I get a scale? I already have like 3 scales. Oh, it does come with a really nice little digital scale, doesn't it? I will look at this later, because I actually kind of have one that's very similar to this, but really nice branding, on par. Again, I don't know why I'm talking about the branding like I'm freaking selling this to you like it's QVC or HSN. Available now for 3 payments of $45.55. It wasn't that expensive. I think this was $80. I caught it on sale. I think regularly it says it's like $100, but it was like, I think it was $80. I'm pretty sure I paid $80 for it. But it's a good sized kit. I'm pretty excited because it had a lot of really cool products in it that I recall. So I believe this is the slotted spoon for like digging out your caviar. And then it comes with one of these little like, kind of like a little measuring cups that you set on the scale. Away. Oh, it came with 3 of them. These are so tiny. 3 tiny little things. And then...
I'm so excited about this. Okay?
Okay. I don't know why I said it Valley Girl-like, but this is the Insorbit M. So, this, if I recall correctly, is the stuff that you can use to make, like, olive oil powder. So, if it's, like, yeah, it's tapioca maltodextrin. So I'm very excited. I got 50 grams or 2 ounces. That's a lot. Wow, it's really light. That's so cool. I cannot wait to try it. But you can also make, I think, like peanut butter powder or anything that's like high fat content or oily, I believe is what you're supposed to use this with to transform it into like a powder or something different. I believe that's what it is. Cellulose HV, which is the high viscosity. It's used as binders in lots of stuff, and then I can't remember if this is also used in... It's used in other stuff, but I don't remember right now. Methyl Cellulose Lv, which is a low viscosity. Modernist Pantry on their YouTube channel has like a whole series of videos on their different ingredients and their uses and recipes. And they have some that are like high viscosity, low, like they have like, I think they have a whole video on the methyl cellulose, or at least some of them. Definitely the differences between the HV and the LV, and they have like a bunch of different kinds of methyl cellulose. This is sodium citrate, which is used in spherification, if I recall correctly. Kappa carrageenan, because I've done spherification, or like making like edible caviar. Iota carrageenan, I don't honestly remember what most of these things are for. Calcium lactate, which I feel like is also used in spherification, but I could be wrong. Calcium chloride. I'm gonna want to say all the calciums are used in like that. Sodium alginate is used in spherification. Yes, I was so excited to get Soy Lecithin Powder. I've had it before. It's really good if you want to keep your breads nice and moist, particularly like high fat content breads. I like to use it in that because it keeps it moist and it will keep it shelf stable a little longer. And you don't have to use a whole lot, so this will last plenty long to see if I like their brand. Xanthan gum, which is a really good thickener. Super Agar, which I've never used Super Agar. I've used Agar, or regular Agar before, but I think if I recall correctly, this Super Agar is like super clear and clean. And then I'm so excited because I have a bunch of these. Not this brand, but other brands. I love gelatin cheese. Fabulous. I don't know why I said fabulous like that either, but I did. We went there. And you get 20 sheets of 170 Bloom gelatin. It's silver. Alright, groovy. And then, what I'm really excited about is it came with an entire I want to call it a manual, but like cookbook type of stuff. So it's a beginner's guide to ingredients, techniques, and recipes. So we can call it a recipe book, but I'm very excited because it's got like a bunch of stuff in here that you can make, and like it's a big old book. So I'm excited. So that is what came in this kit. I am planning on doing a little experimentation with it. Probably for sure spherification to start out with. I really want to try reverse spherification, and I think the ingredients to do it are in here. I'll have to double check, but I really want to try. And yeah, so I'm really excited to try all of this cool stuff out and play with these toys, because toys. I'm very excited. Any suggestions, let me know in the comments section below. And yeah, I hope you enjoyed this kind of short-ish video for me. And yeah, I hope, oh yeah, do me a favor, like, comment, and subscribe. And I hope you have a wonderful evening, morning, afternoon, whatever it is, wherever you are. I hope you have a wonderful day. I will talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.